Welcome back to ITSC 1316, and in today's lesson we will be going over creating a swap partition, activating a swap partition, and creating a temporary swap space without creating a partition for emergency or because of lack of space to partition. To start off, you can create a swap partition on either an MBR or GPT partitioning scheme, and the commands don't change much. Since I'm already on a GPT partition disk from the last lab, I'll create it with gdisk. The only real difference will be partition numbering and the type. To start off, we will log into our Linux system as root and open up a terminal and type gdisk space /dev/sdb to start our partition creation. I will type in, accept the default partition, first sector, and make the last sector plus 100 megabytes for the size. When I get to the hex code, I will put in A200 for Linux swap. If this one's an MBR partition, I'd change the partition to use 82 as the type. Now I will write the changes and then run lsblk to confirm the partition is there. Now you'll notice that it doesn't show it as swap like the one that we created when we made the VM because we haven't ran the commands to do so yet. The first command we will run is mkswap followed by the partition name, which in our case here is /dev/sdb3. Now let's run the command free-m, which shows us the amount of memory and swap you're using. You'll notice that we still only have our original swap space showing, and that's because we need to run one more command to activate it. The command we will run is swapon /dev/sdb3. Then we can run the free-m command again and the lsblk command again to show that it has been created and added. There is also a way to create a swap file without creating a new partition. To do this, you will use the command dd space if equals /dev/0 space of equals /swap file space bs equals 1m space count equals 100. This will create a 100 megabyte swap file mounted at /swap file. You can change the mount point and size. After you run that command, you just run swapon space /swap file and mkswap space /swap file. To confirm it's been added, once again run the free-m command. Well, that was a quick little lesson, wasn't it? But it was very important and a skill you will need to know and be tested on during the certification. Thanks for watching.